second attempt at Towers of Change. They are at different stages, but this time instead of going to a wall that merges all the coins together, I'm keeping them separate as they are their own circular shape. A shape that extends out from the base coin to reach around itself to become a tube with a perimeter of 6 coins at first, but then it extends and gets further wider. I lost the penny stack. Now, without the pennies there, it'll be extremely precarious to rebuild that without disturbing the rest. Alright, time to repair this. While putting this video together, I thought a voiceover right here might be good. Stacking with the pennies is the most challenging because the pennies have the largest variation of size from penny to penny, and the fact they're in between these two other towers does not help. This penny completes this circle. It fell again, and now I need to rebuild it all over again. I feel like I just did this a minute ago. Here I am doing it again, completing that circle. These stacks are not actually touching each other yet, but now the stacks are touching and they're flat-ish on top. They're all flat-ish on level-ish with each other, and I'm about halfway. Stacking all these coins takes me several hours across multiple days, and the value already on these stacks is more than I've made on YouTube all year. I finished up with the dimes because since they're the smallest coin, they get used up the fastest, and everything is still standing and still has that hollow see-through structure. The most to go is the nickels. I think there's a giant spider in the middle of them. It helps to count out the coins first because it's surprisingly hard to calculate once they're in the uniquely stacked shape. 1,000 pennies and 1,000 dimes. There's going to be 1,000 of each to complete these towers of change. The quarters are worth more than the other 3 stacks combined. And there is 1,000 quarters. All I have left is just a few nickels, and this whole thing is complete. Some might deem this entire process useless, and that's called floxinosinahilipilification. I completed the Towers of Change. There is 1,000 quarters, 1,000 nickels, 1,000 pennies, 1,000 dimes, all balanced. Now I could pretty much see through all of these stacks. It's a little hard to see through the penny stack, so let's see what happens when I drop one in it.